To log into your Apple ID account on an Android device, you will need to follow these steps. First, you need to download and install the Apple Music or Apple TV app from the Google Play Store. Once the app is installed, open it and tap on the account icon, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Next, tap on Create Account or Sign In, and then select Sign In. You will be prompted to enter your Apple ID and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled on your Apple ID, you will receive a verification code on one of your other Apple devices. Enter this code to verify your identity. If you do not have an Apple ID, you can create one directly from the app by tapping on Create New Apple ID. You will be asked to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and password. Make sure to use a strong and unique password to secure your account. After signing in, you will be asked to agree to the terms and conditions of using Apple services on your Android device. Once you have agreed, you will be able to access Apple services such as Apple Music, Apple TV, and iCloud directly from your Android device. It is important to note that while you can access Apple services on your Android device, some features may not be available or may not work as seamlessly as they would on an Apple device. To ensure the security of your Apple ID, make sure to keep your password and verification codes safe, and be cautious when granting access to your account to third-party apps. By following these steps, you can easily log in to your Apple ID account on your Android device and start using Apple services. Remember to always use strong passwords and keep your account information up to date to ensure the security of your account.